Yo. First order up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is $11 going about 5 miles. I did get one order before this one, but I knew something was going to be off about it. It was a McDonald's, but it was showing me that I was going to pay like $40-something going 5 miles. Most likely it was just going to be a tip bait because they want their coffees right away this early. But as soon as I started my car, it just canceled the order on me, so oh well. Wait a minute. I just looked at the order and I'm pretty positive this is the same customer. My guess is they tried ordering McDonald's a handful of times and kept having issues, and that's why the pay was showing up so high for me. And they finally just gave up, switched over to Starbucks because they wanted that instead. They better not cancel on me this time because I'm right next to the store. Thank you. I got this order right away. This is going to be McDonald's, $6 going 2.5 miles. Yeah, thank you. Next up, we've got a Wendy's. This will be good. $6 going 2.5 miles.
Welcome to Wendy's. What can I get for you today?
Starting timer now. Okay, they just added a 7-Eleven pickup. I think this is alcohol, so this should actually make it worth it because it is $8 going an additional 2 miles.
Alright, what's that? Here we are for you. Have a good one. Thank you.
That was a 7-minute wait. Gotcha. Thank you.
How's your day going?
Just starting out, so not too bad so far.
You're like, oh god, you're already ordering alcohol.
So I just randomly checked this because I was sitting here bored waiting for an order, and apparently DoorDash deleted all my scheduled shifts for the next week. That's really lovely. I'm glad that I dedicate so much time to this useless app. Okay, so I've been talking to DoorDash support for forever, pretty much, because it also kicked me offline for some reason. But apparently they can actually modify your schedule, like manually. Usually they're pretty useless when it comes to helping out, but this time it's working out for me. Well, they got me online today. I'm still working on the rest of the week. And we're doing earn by time now, trying to get my acceptance rate up. Maybe that'll help my chances out in the future. Current rate is $17 an hour. And our first order is a voodoo donut going 6 miles.
There we go.
Thank you.
Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Yeah, total for that was $6, so pretty garbage. But at least we got the next one right away. This one is Black Raw Coffee going 2 miles. Actually, this one's probably just as bad because it's only one drink. And what are the odds that there's a good tip on this? Not too likely.
If that is for you, and Sharpie as well.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Total for that was $6 and change, which actually makes that order really good compared to the last one. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $10 going 6 miles, 2 items. Looks like we're just picking up some milk and dog food. This one should be really easy.
Well now.
Next up, we've got a Jack in the Box. This is going to be going 4.5 miles.
Fantastic. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. I didn't even see how much I got paid for that last one because I got this one right away. Starbucks going 5 miles. For Andres.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Thank you. Next up, we've got Del Taco going 3.5 miles. Excuse me, is it drive-through only? Yeah. Looks like they're painting on this place. How do I... Is the drive-through open? Okay, that is closed off too.
I'm sorry, I don't see that right.
Oh, you're all good. Thank you. Total for that order was $9. Decent. It was just a long wait, so most of that was base pay. Next up, we've got a McDonald's going 4 miles.
Have a great day.
What the heck? Total for that order was $17. There wasn't even that much food on that order. Thank you. Next up, we've got a stack. This is going to the same person. We've got El Jefe Birria and Tacos and Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is going 10 miles. Thank you. You too. Thank you. You too. I am starving, so I'm just gonna call it here. Current time is 10:12. Total, we are at 111. How? I don't know. I'm not gonna question it. Let's just go home. Actually, let's go find something to eat, then we'll go home. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.